How does age affect fertility for both men and women? In our first video, we discussed what fertility really means and how it's a shared journey between partners. Now let's talk about one of the most common questions I hear from couples. Doctor, are you too late to conceive? Fertility in women is closely linked to egg quantity and quality. A baby girl is generally born with 1 to 2 million eggs at birth, but by puberty, only about 3 to 4 lakh remain. And by the time she reaches her 30s, the number drops rapidly. Around the age 30, fertility also starts to gradually decline. The conception rates are approximately 20 to 25% in early 30s. By 35, the decline becomes even more noticeable. And after 40, natural conception rates decline, and pregnancy rates are close to less than 5%. But the quality of the eggs also changes with age. Older eggs are more likely to have chromosomal abnormalities, which can lead to lower fertilization rates, higher miscarriage rates, as well as genetic abnormalities in the embryos. That's why even with assisted reproduction like an IVF procedure, the success rates significantly drop after the age of 38 to 40 years. Another important point to be kept in mind is that the uterus itself doesn't age as dramatically as the eggs do. But when younger donor eggs are used, even older women can often conceive successfully. So the main limiting factor in female fertility is the egg quality, not the uterus. Now let's talk about men. It's true that men don't have a clear menopause. They continue to produce sperm throughout their life, and that doesn't mean sperm quality stays the same. Starting around the mid-30s to 40s, men experience a gradual decline in testosterone level as well as the sperm parameters. Here's what the studies have shown. They have shown that the sperm count generally reduces with increasing age in men. Sperm motility, or what we call as the movement, also decreases, making it harder to reach the egg. Sperm DNA fragmentation increases, which can affect the embryo quality and pregnancy outcomes. The risk of new genetic mutations in the sperm also rises. This is linked to conditions like autism spectrum disorders or other chromosomal disorders. So while older males can father children, the chances of conception may take longer, and the risk of miscarriage or developmental issues may rise. So how does age affect both men and women? In both genders, age brings about oxidative stress and DNA damage, hormonal fluctuations, and slower cell division and repair processes. Fertility is not just a number, it's a reflection of how your reproductive cells are functioning, and that naturally changes as well as with age. The good news is you can take steps to support your fertility, whatever your age is. Maintain a healthy, balanced diet rich in antioxidants and protein. Exercise regularly but avoid extremes. Manage stress, and also a good 6 to 7 hours of sleep is important. Limit your alcohol and smoking. Also stop late night Googling and discuss your query directly with your doctor. For women, consider early fertility assessment with AMH testing or antral follicle count. Well, for men, a semen analysis can give a clear fertility picture. Where required, a DNA fragmentation test will give further insight and guidance into the treatment. And if you're planning to delay parenthood, consider fertility preservation options like egg freezing or semen freezing while you're younger. So remember, age doesn't make pregnancy impossible, but it changes the odds and the approach. Also, age has an impact on pregnancy rates as well as pregnancy health. So planning ahead helps achieve pregnancy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such science-packed fertility insights. And do drop your questions below. I would love to answer them in my future videos. So age is one key factor, but it's not the whole story. In the next video, let's explore how to recognize the early signs that it might be time to seek a fertility help.